when the Secretary of State for Wales, Joe Stevens, rolls out the same tired old cliched attacks on Plaid Cymru as separatists.
Separatism.
I say, bring it on. We're doing something right. I have had the honour of serving as a Plaid Cymru MP for over a decade. And during that time, I've been able to observe how Westminster puts Wales in a box and how its governments view our party, Plaid Cymru. In the last year, something has shifted. The Westminster establishment no longer sees Plaid Cymru as a quaint regional quirk of local politics, country mice who've landed in the big city. We are a threat. We are a threat. We've earned that position as a threat. It's a badge of honour. We've worked hard at being the wasp that goads the short-tempered bulldog.